was so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Ooh, Well, open up your mind and see like me, and open up your plans and damn you're free. I look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's a God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. All time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do, 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 do. But you do, 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 do. But you do, won't you come on? Scooch on over closer, dear, and I'll remember your ears. Through the boom. Whoa, whoa, oh, 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 oh. I've been spending way too long checking my trunk in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fucked up the glass, and so I drew on your face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't a better reason to rid yourself of vanity, so just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me, and open up plans and damn you're free. I look into your heart and you find the sky is yours. Oh, please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate.